Time for a new segment. What did you like best, or what did you learn from today's show? I thought that whole video was pretty good there. I mean, Keith Moon used too much explosives and then made Pete Townsend go deaf. A lot of noise these days, you know. A lot of noise. But when you come home and you turn on the West One radio, you're in for a nice treat. Here's the OJs with I Love Music. Can you think of anything else that you liked about the show? We'll be here. Sorry, I was eating my chocolate cake that Candy gave me.